Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add background images and adjust visual transparency in Power BI. This is a great way to enhance your reports and make them more visually appealing while maintaining readability across all your data visualizations. Let's start by opening your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, click on the page where you want to add your background image. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a panel labeled Visualizations. This is your main control center for all visual customizations in Power BI. Under the Visualizations panel, look for and click on the Format Your Report Page icon. This icon gives you access to various formatting options that affect the entire page rather than individual visuals. Once you've clicked that icon, you'll see several formatting categories appear. Look for the option labeled Canvas Background and click on it. This section controls what appears behind all your visualizations on the page. Within the Canvas background settings, you'll find an option called Image with a Browse button underneath it. Click on Browse to open your File Explorer. Now you can navigate through your folders to select the image you want to use as your background. Once you've found the right image, click on it to select it, and it will be applied to your canvas. However, you'll likely notice that the image doesn't quite fit the way you want it to. To fix this, locate the Image Fit drop-down menu within the same canvas background settings. Click on this drop-down and select Fill from the options. This ensures your background image covers the entire canvas properly, without any awkward spacing or cropping. Now that your background is set, you'll need to adjust your visual transparency so your graphs remain readable against the new background. Click on one of your graphs to select it. Back in the Visualizations panel on the right, click on the Format visual icon. This icon is specifically for formatting individual visuals rather than the entire page. Within the Format visual settings, click on General. This section contains overall properties for the selected visual. Under General, you'll see an option called Effects. Click on Effects to expand this section. Here you'll find a transparency slider or input field. Adjust this transparency setting to your preference, finding the right balance where your graph remains clear and readable while still allowing your background image to show through nicely. Here's the important part. You'll need to repeat this transparency adjustment process for all your graphs on the page. Click each graph individually, go to Format Visual, then General, then Effects, and adjust the transparency for each one. This ensures consistency across your entire report and maintains readability for all your data visualizations. And that's it. You've successfully added a background image and adjusted your visual transparency in Power BI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.